And hello there to the minutes friends and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what I have here is a 30-minute scissors option part set number 18. We have the Sergeant costume on color C, and as you can see in the box art, what are included is of course some of the body parts, the feet, the new face, new hair, and it's a color C Sergeant costume, and I don't know if there are other colors that was released or if I'm not aware of. Anyways, off to the side, as you can see here is part set 18 Sergeant costume. Of course, you can design your own characters from the previous 13 Minute Sisters, combine them, and have them look differently. And of course, you can have it with the hat or without the hat. And also the other side, here it is. I think it has some new parts, and of course, there will be water slides for the eyes because, as you can see in the box art earlier, there were no eyes, unlike for the other 13 sisters, wherein there are pre-printed eyes. Anyways, let's see and open what's inside the box. So we do have the instruction manual here, and here it is, the part where they tell you if you have the 30 Minute Sisters water slide decals for the eyes, here's how you're going to apply it. And then we have one bag with multiple screws inside, and here it is, the face parts with no eyes, reprinted. Off to the other side, all black and a clear red. And then off to the other side, more multiple parts here. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. So first up here we have the A screw, which has some whites, some blacks, and some flesh. The B screw is all black. The C is actually clear red. The D is again all black. And we have the E in a dark crimson color. Of course, it has different face parts. And one whole big screw for the hair part. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box on the 30 Minute Sisters option part set 18 Sergeant costume color C. And yes, the face parts, as you have seen, needs water slide, special water slide decals in order to put eyes in them, unlike the other 30 Minute Sisters, which are the eyes already pre-printed. But hey, it's a challenge, and of course, it's up to you if you're going to use it or not. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, giving other videos, seeing the videos, commenting, and sharing. And until next time, see you and thank you.